Hey guys, Captain Mike, Western Pride. Just giving you guys a little tackle tip here in terms of the rockfish. Like I said, today we had really good rock fishing on our local half-day trip. So we're just going to go over the setup and what you guys want to be prepared with, or how we are going to rig you guys up when you come out. First of all, this is a 300 or 400 size reel. This isn't accurate, but we fish with Shimano's or Penns or whatever. You want something that has a lot of line capacity. That's the biggest thing. We're fishing anywhere from 300 to 400 feet of water primarily. That's where we were fishing today. So you want something that just has adequate line space. And then you want about a 7 to 8 foot rod, something that can handle a 12 to 16 ounce sinker. That's the biggest thing. You don't want a small rod where your sinker is gonna pull it all the way down and you're not gonna be able to feel the bite. So something that's heavy enough to fish a 10 to 16 ounce sinker. This is a 12 ounce sinker, and this is what we were fishing with today. So we're just gonna go over the setup real quick. This is called a double dropper loop. There's 2 hooks and then the heavy sinker on the bottom. These are like 1/0 size mustads. This is perfect for what we're fishing right now. We're gonna go over how you hook the sardine. We caught most of our fish on the sardine today, so if you want to follow me over here, we'll show you how to hook this. Normally we only put 1 sardine on the line at a time, because a lot of times if you put 2, it'll helicopter and tangle each other. So we usually put the sardine on the top hook. Just how you'd fish a live bait, you're gonna pick it up, and we like to pin it right through the nose. So sideways through the nose, just like that. And then you'd have a piece of squid on this bottom hook, in case for a red snapper or other assorted rockfish. So you want the sardine on the top hook, piece of squid on the bottom hook, and you're gonna send it all the way down to the bottom. You're just gonna wanna listen to the crew as to where we're seeing the fish and what's going on. But that's your typical rockfish rig on our half day, 3/4 day, even our overnight program. 10 to 16 ounces of weight and some 1/0 size hooks, and you're all set.